Hi, this is Callum Kills 2K14 on his first ever video, and I'm being joined with Dakila Kit, but we are playing multiplayer on Minecraft. And in this episode, we are gonna build a fire truck. This is the first time we've played on my new file. Okay, run, please, can you get some black wool? And then, if we go quiet, that means we are concentrating, because it is pretty hard. That's like square. And yeah, we're just making a fire truck. Blend here will be getting his new file sometime soon. Don't know when, but sometime soon. And then he will start releasing videos with moi, I think.
And sometimes on myself.
And sometimes by himself. And I will be releasing mostly Minecraft videos. But I'll be releasing other videos such as Disney Infinity and Skylanders, Giants, and GTA and Black Ops. And then sometimes I'll have special guests, seeing as I do have now. They will be joining me for... Oh, 1 minute. Done this too big.
Yeah.
And they will be joining me through my adventures of Minecraft. Because this is like... I don't know how many times I've played this game.
It's more than 100.
Yeah, I've played this kind of a lot because I am kind of addicted to it. And take that from a... Oh, no, you don't fill that in. Yeah, you do. And then get some quartz half slabs. And then start placing them underneath. And we are doing on this creative because it takes nearly forever to do it on survival. And that will mean actually us getting all the resources. And also, can you just crouch? This would have took us a lot of time to go to Nether, and then we'll probably end up making a series out of it. And we are new to this, so if we get stuff wrong, just put it in the comments and we'll figure out what we've done wrong. So, and we'll be doing other builds. Blend, just for now, we'll be doing the fire truck. And I've got this build from Stampy on Nose, as people could tell if you're watching.
Just saying, I hate Stampy.
Yeah, he will never watch Stampy, and I don't know why. Maybe because he's a prat.
Oh, they could just hear that.
We're kind of new to this, as I said, put it down in comments what we're doing wrong.
And my channel will include lots of GTA, a few Sims, a bit of Minecraft, loads of games really, and hopefully I'll be getting Skyrim soon.
And then I will point out now, it won't look or sound good because I am doing this on a phone because we don't have a camera to actually do it on our headphones or anything like that. So we are gonna sound rubbish and just rubbish. That's all I'm gonna say. So yeah, we are kind of on the blink of doing this while finishing it. Says that was the blaze wobble. And then I don't know when we'll get Minecraft PC blend. It will be sometime soon.
Hopefully.
Hopefully. And if not, we'll just continue with this Minecraft. So I am kind of confused. I'll find it.
Just saying, it looks more like a bus than a fire truck.
Yeah, I know.
If Stampy watches this, he will be like, oh yeah. But that's highly doubtful.
Maybe because I have to open that.
So hopefully.
So yeah, we are pretty new to this. I don't know why that ain't working, so stand up the blaze, whoop whoop.
And as you can see,
we are kind of noobs.
A bit, yeah, but that's somebody's point of view. And because we are kind of
noobs.
No, new to. Well, we're not new because we have this old channel.
Did we?
Not old channel. I mean old PS3 account, which we used to play Minecraft on. But then
tons of Minecraft, such as moi.
Yeah, and but then we decided that we needed our own little accounts, and so we got them. And as you can see now, we're making you awesome videos. Yeah.
So we just need to put. Oh yeah, we are. There's something what we'll forget because I have only just watched this video of Stampers. So I will end up forgetting things, but we'll soon remember. And yes, sorry if it don't look that good.
And there's gonna be a few little mishaps, and
we are gonna be sort of noobish, but it'll be alright. Where the hell are they?
And yeah, so
we are nearly at the end of this build. Kieran hasn't really. Oh no, that killer hasn't really done all. But when you'll find out that his YouTube name will be. I don't know what it will be.
So
you soon find out. I'll tell you in a later video. So yeah, we are nearly at the end. Kevin, can you see flats?
Yeah.
Bring it in.
It is.
Oh, there we go. So yeah, we are gonna be sort of. I don't know how to point this out.
Rubbish. But eggs, eggs tell the world, which is so. Awesome.
So yeah, this is the end of the build. Hope you like it, and this is. Oh man, I keep on forgetting my name. Callum Kills 2K14, and this is the build of a fire truck. We will soon get better, but put down in comments what we are rubbish at. Bye!